Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Let's take another look at the charts. And yesterday I had this set up as a thumbnail for my video, and I said this is the hope for the bears, something in that area. And I thought this wouldn't break down, but as you can see, it broke down quite brutally. This is the Bitstamp chart, and they effed with the indexes the margin exchanges use on this wick. They wicked a lot lower than, for example, other exchanges who had it way later, and they only wicked to around 11.3 somewhat. But what is making me really bullish at the moment is the predicted negative funding on Bitmex, for example. Everybody seems to be shorting now. And that is exactly what we want. We want new fuel to the upside. We can short squeeze again, guys. A lot of shorts to get squeezed again. So that is very bullish. The S&P 500, the mini futures, they did a little bit of up and down today, but they seem to end the day very, very strong. And yeah, if you ask me, they're going for all-time highs over here. So yeah, I am bullish now on Bitcoin. They broke a couple of levels, but I am bullish again. Well, it's bullish because a lot of people have been selling, shorting. So it means we have a lot of new stops to run. A lot of new liquidity to the upside, all the way over here, all the way up. So yeah, a lot of people have been shorting. Although this exact level is the level Bitcoin needs to break. We have resistance over here, and a bit of resistance over here. So why we are bouncing is because, let's zoom in a little bit, is because Bitcoin broke this level. Let me draw a little line. This is exactly how I draw my trend lines. And yeah, as you can see, they broke that line. So we bounce, but we need to bounce past this level and this level over here. So I would say for a successful bounce, we would like to reclaim around this level. And let's say it's 11.8, and that's still a long way to go for Bitcoin, but that is the hope right now. What else could be? You know, we broke a lot of trend lines in the moment. This is resistance right now, and of course this is resistance right now as well. And we had this line, that was this line. So yeah, what we want to see for the weekly, because that's just only a few days from now, is we want to see it close higher than the current level we're at, or the current level is good enough. It's about 11.5, this level. We want to close the weekly above this level to save the weekly candle. And yeah, I'm still bullish. And yeah, the negative funding helps with that, but we do have some resistances on the way. So yeah, I am bullish since we can squeeze again, but I mean, I'm cautiously bullish at the moment. There are some resistances to be broken, and as long as we are above this level, we are kind of still bullish, but once it breaks, we are effed. So that is about it. We want to close the weekly above 11.5. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum USD, yes. Let's zoom out a little bit. Ethereum USD still looks very good. As long as we hold this support. You can see it over here. Let's zoom out a little bit more. 360, we lose it, and I'm bearish. But I won't see that happening anytime soon. But we tested it today. But as long as we keep it, we are bullish. Lose it, kind of bearish, and then we have maybe time to walk the stairs back down. This support of this trend line is a trend line we need to hold. So yeah, that's about it. 360 is very critical for Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum BTC. Still kind of good. I expected them to retest this level actually, but it is a level we need to close above the daily. The daily will close in about 3 hours. And yeah, Ethereum BTC still looks very good on a high time frame. And like I said, we want to close it above here. So that is about it for today, guys. Like I said, S&P will make new highs. Of course, we need to watch out what the dollar does and watch out what gold does. But for now, I am still very bullish. Yes, very bullish. If you trade with some leverage on Bybit or Bitmex, for example, look in the video description. You have my ref links over there. You get some additional discounts on fees, and you get a welcomes bonus on Bybit, for example. So make sure to use those links, and if you have an account already, make sure you switch. Also, I will be doing the Bybit World Series of trading. You can join my troop over here. Click on the troop details, and you can join. Would be really cool, and I'm sure we will make a lot of profit together. So guys, see you again tomorrow, and yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and happy trading.